for my mom, Carolyn. Since you've been gone, well, it feels like I've been chewing on tin foil. Since you've been gone, it's like I've got a great big mouthful of cod liver oil. Well, I'm feeling like I was falling asleep and didn't notice that the stove was on. You know when I sleep I'm always in pain, since you've been gone. I couldn't feel any worse in my dreams to drop a bowling ball on my toes. It wouldn't hurt anymore if the anime shoves the cactus up my nose. Since you've been gone, well, I know my mom turned on Backstreet Boys every day. Since you've been gone, it's like I've got a monster headache that won't go away. Ever since I surfed on the internet, I've been so miserable, my dear. And I almost lost eBay mail before my stuff's here.